Hey y'all, it's Gamer here. Today is gonna be the start of my Minecraft 1.9 mod development tutorial. So yeah, I would recommend. Hold on, looking into my computer or my laptop over here. Hey, Linux is still playing. Okay. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. I had to log into my computer, my laptop, so I have reference code. Anyway, yeah, let's get started. I'd recommend going to my 1.7 setup video to see the setup stuff. However, I'm going to show you guys where to download, what to download stuff. So one of the first things we're going to want to get, we're going to have to go to files.minecraftforge.net. Now, I'd recommend watching that video, especially to see the Java setup for Windows 10. So you guys know what to do. Just real quick, I'm going to I'll leave Skype open. We're going to go 1.9. All right. Download the latest, the MDK. Yeah. Let's see, another thing you're going to want to get, if you don't already have, or if you did this from the previous one, Eclipse. I already have it downloaded and installed. However, I think I might use, actually, no, download. That's right. 64, but no, actually, I do not want that one. We're going to come over here, Java, not EE, but Java developers. You can still use the EE package, but there's one thing in this that you don't get in that. I'm going to download, I don't know. Been using Mars. Let's give Helios package. You can go Helios. Eclipse IDE, Java 64, Windows 64-bit. It's only 99 megabytes. Wow. I'm going to take it down here. Software, save. Come back here, click skip. I'm gonna take this to my mod development, Forge source. I'm just gonna save it in there. And they're downloading. So as soon as this is done downloading, we'll get to it. So I'm actually gonna give Helios a shot. I'm gonna leave that. We're going to open this up and come into here, mod development. I'm going to come here to 1.9 projects. As you guys can see, I have already started a bunch of stuff. This is a bunch of just testing and whatnot. So, yeah. Let's see. Tutorial mod 1.9. Enter. I'm gonna open up another file explorer. 0 seconds. As soon as that's done downloading, I'm gonna close Chrome. And close Chrome. Alright. Now, in here, I'm gonna open this up. Mod development, Forge source. I'm gonna right click this. Oh. Shh, no, you didn't see that. I'm going to extract here. And in a momento, I have to refresh. Oh. Oh no. That was an accident. I'm actually oops. Delete those. I did that wrong. And it is. Right click 7-zip and extract 2. There we go. And take all of this. Copy it over here. Why does it say new folder? I named it tutorial. Okay. Tutorial mod 1.9. 1.6. Okay, there we go. Alright, gonna come in here. File, open command prompt. And in here, I'm gonna maximize this. Gradle W, setup, decomp workspace. And Eclipse. We're gonna add the Eclipse command in there. And what this will do is it'll set up the workspace. And then I do believe that doing decomp workspace actually gives you the forge source. As if you do set up dev workspace, it gives you the forge bin. So I'm gonna give this a shot and then type in Eclipse, put in a space between after setup decomp workspace and then type in Eclipse. It does everything all at once. So I'll be back as soon as this is done. Okay, actually while that's doing that, I'm gonna come in here to downloads, scroll down to software. I'm going to find Helios. Right click. I'm going to extract to Eclipse Java Helios. So, good. Sorry, messaging my girlfriend. Be right back after this is all done. Okay. I finished extracting, so I'm going to come in here to software. Here's Helios, Eclipse. And yeah, so I'm going to right click this. I'm actually going to drag it up here. I'm going to pin it to my taskbar. There we go. I'm actually going to move this, I don't know, like right here. Now this is taking forever. A little concerning. I'm not going to do that. Yeah, so this development tutorial series will be going over custom blocks, and what I mean by that is like custom model, because actually 1.8 actually made custom modeling of blocks a lot easier. Yeah, it's way easier now. I think it was relatively easy with 1.7, but I never got into it. Whereas right now in 1.8.9 or 1.8 and above, there's actually this guy on YouTube, Mr. Crayfish, if you've heard of him. He this program is all his, but it's really cool. Come on, load up. This is it. It's his, see, model creator by Mr. Crayfish, and this is by far my favorite model creator. We will be going into this, getting into this, and using it for creating custom models. And I will put a link to his website when we get to that. So yeah. This model creator, I love it. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. He's even got a couple examples, so let's just, chair. I mean, come on. That's cool. And it's even got all the things up there, and it's just, wow. So yeah, we will be getting into this. I have the problem where it says it stopped working. I don't know why. Let's check up on you. It's still decompiling Minecraft. I'm gonna have to go get my little sister in a minute. So, well, actually like a few minutes. And there's probably gonna be Facebook stuff. Yep. Let's see if there's anything else I could think of. Oh, one thing I would recommend. What the fuck? Okay. Empty. Thank you. Is getting a paint program, not like Microsoft Paint. I would recommend getting GIMP or Paint.net. I have both installed. Both are really good. However, I think Paint, or in my opinion, GIMP has, in terms of friendly user interface, it's a lot more nicer. So that's just personal opinion. So I'll be back in a little bit when this is done and after I've gotten my little sister. So I'll be right back, y'all. Before I have to go, I just want to say I came into my Gradle file, and yeah, it does do the .forge source. So yeah, just want to let you guys know. I'll be back in a minute. I have to go get my little. Okay, I am back. Let's see. It's finished. Yeah, little sister's in the house. All right, so I'm gonna fire up Eclipse. As long as you see the build successful in that, you're golden. Come on. Pumpkin, there should be some in the fridge. Sorry about that. Alright, so I'm going to click on browse. I'm actually going to go downloads, mod development, 1.9 projects, tutorial mod. And when you're in here and you're searching for it, make sure to click on Eclipse and only Eclipse inside your mod file. Click OK and OK. Real quick, I'm going to OK that. Alright, so we're in here. Alright, so I'm gonna close those out. Open that up. Alright, first thing I'm actually gonna get rid of. Why are you erroring? I don't see what the problem is. I'm just gonna delete that. And yep, okay. Actually gonna move this out just a smidge. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna click on there. Now in the Java developer, not the Java EE, you get these two buttons, which is easy, which allows for easy creation of Java or Java classes and packages. So I'm going to click on a new class. I'm going to call this. Now, in Java, you typically do your website backwards. So if I had a website, I would either do net.hitgamer or com.hitgamer, but I'm going to do net.tutorialmod. And I'm going to create this class, and this is going to be tutorial. Now your core class, you could call it whatever you want, tutorial mod. I'm just going to call it that so that I know which one it is. Alright. Next, I'm actually going to create another class called my mod global. Now, what does this do? Well, this will allow us to, sorry about that, use strings in here and create new creative tabs. Sorry, had to take a drink of my Arizona. Anyway, and define the name of the mod, the version, the mod ID. So yeah, all right. So we're gonna go public static final string. We're gonna go mod ID equals quotation marks. I'm just gonna name it TM. So you guys see that's finished. So we're gonna go public static again. Final string name equals tutorial mod. Again, public static. Public static final string version equals, I don't know, let's just do 1.0. Yo, I cannot type today. Alright, save that. Now you don't have to import anything for this, so yeah, public stuff and public static whatever, all the stuff like public static final string, that's all Java stuff, so you don't have to import anything from Forge. So yeah, in here I'm going to click above public class, the name of the mod, public class tutorial. We're going to go at capital MOD, just spelled like that. Now in here, this is where we're going to set the parameters for the mod. So first we're going to go mod ID equals mod global dot mod ID, comma, name equals mod global dot name, and version equals mod global dot version. Now we have to import mod. Import. Alright, cool. That's set. What is... What? Why does it... Well, okay, hold up. I'm gonna... What is its problem? Okay, I really genuinely, guys, have no idea what the hell this is. I genuinely have no idea. The type Java lang cannot be okay. I do not get the problem. Let's go into here. Tutorial mod. Dot project. I have no idea what the problem is. Okay, you know what? Real quick, I'm just gonna close this out. File. Real quick, I'm gonna run Gradle W Eclipse. I do not know what the hell the problem is at all, so I'll be back as soon as this is. Alright, so I'm gonna relaunch. If Helios isn't gonna want to read it, I'll just go back to Mars. So, yeah. I'm not sure what the problem is. Oh. Halfway done. Come on, launch. I want to see. Okay, yeah. I have no idea what the problem is. It's giving me an error. Or is it? This is because of this. It's because of... It's because of that. How does... How? What? What? Okay, I'm gonna Control C. You know what? TM. Let's just go name equals version equals 0.0. It's because this is here. How? Okay, I'm gonna switch over. Hold on, I'm actually gonna Okay. Close this. And boot it up with Mars. I have no idea what the hell it is. I don't know. Browse, scan. Yeah, I'm actually currently working on getting better storage updated. Anyway, that's an off camera thing that I do. Anyway, back to what we're doing. Eclipse. I'm recording, right? Yeah. Yes, I want to continue. I think it might be Helios, so Right now, I'm not going to recommend using Helios. Just download the Mars package from eclipse.org. Yeah, I don't know. I'll be back as soon as it loads. Okay, so I am back. As you guys can see, 4 mods. Okay, whoa. I'm actually gonna... I'll turn that down to, I don't know, 5%. I'm actually gonna tweak my settings, because I cannot do map levels, actually, surprisingly. It lags me. Hey, it's good to hear me sing. Yeah. And yes, I am in choir. And yes, I am straight. Oh boy. I'll be right back. So yeah, it was just the version I was in of Eclipse. So yeah. Let's see, we're gonna have to add in a couple more things into here. So let's go at event handler, and we're gonna go public. I think it's a void. No, public static. I forgot. Public static void. We're gonna name this method pre-init. I'm gonna go fml pre initialization event. Just do that. You know what? I'm actually gonna put that there. No. We're gonna copy this and just copy it. I'm gonna just take out the pre and put that, and then name this to post init. And then fml, come on, post initialization event, and then take that out. Control Shift O to fast import everything. That's good. Now, real quick, I'm gonna make a check on the code. All right. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna add some handlers and some packages. So we're gonna go dot handlers. You know what, I'm gonna name this utility. I'm gonna name this block. All right, you know what, HG for gamer block. HG blocks. All right, finish that. And in here, we're gonna add a method. And a method is going to be public static void block registry parentheses enter boom bing bing. Good. Now I'm going to actually change this from flat to hierarchy. There we go. And we're going to add another one. We're going to go dot blocks, and this is going to be our basic block. Now we will be getting into more advanced stuff. So yeah, all right. So in here, we are going to name this. It's gonna extend a regular Minecraft block. All right. Come here. We're gonna go public basic block, and in parentheses here, we're gonna go material. Now this is going to be much different from what I was doing with 1.7.10. This is actually a way, this is a really cool way to do this. We're going to go string name. We're going to go int for integer resistance. Int for integer for hardness. And then, let's see, integer for harvest level. Actually, you know what? We're going to save that for the OR class. That is it. So we're going to come in here, enter that, and we're going to go super material. All right, and we just have to import material. Make sure it's the Minecraft one. And it's going to yell at us, or no, actually, why is it yelling at me? To DSP state. What? Oh, wait a minute. I know what I did. This is the wrong block. I imported the Jorbis. Make sure it's the Minecraft. There we go. All right. Now in here, we're going to go set unlocalized name. In here, we're just going to type name. All right. That one's done. We're going to go in here. We're going to go set resistance. And the integer for resistance, we're just going to put in here resistance. Now, this will allow us in our block registry to register different resistance levels for our blocks. We'll get into this in the next episode where we do our first block. So we're going to go set hardness. We're just going to go hardness. And that's it. All right. Let's see. Now here we're gonna go. We're actually gonna put our block pre-initialize our block registry. So we're just gonna go dot. Come on, you can do it. There we go. All right, I'm gonna launch the game and I'll be right back as soon as it's launched. Sorry about that. Real quick, I'm gonna show you. And yeah, as you guys can see, tutorial mod, it's in here, it's loaded up, so we're good. Quick game. Back to screen. So yeah, next episode is going to be on adding in our first block, so yeah. If you guys liked it, please hit that like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike. You're entitled to your opinion. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Subscribe if you want to for more. Until next time, Zig Gamer, and I'll see y'all next time.